Crystal Westmoreland. I am the chair of the undergraduate program at Kramer School of Nursing. Something that's unique about our program is we offer both full-time and accelerated options. You can finish our degree in as little as 16 months. Our students develop relationships with both our faculty and staff. We have a faculty and staff mentorship program that really lets us get to know our students. Kramer School of Nursing offers some really unique opportunities for our students. A couple of years ago, we opened Minder Simulation Center. We have a 7-bed hospital setup for students to practice nursing skills and scenarios in a safe place. This is something that we also use for our clinical practice. Students really enjoy working in Minder Simulation Center and ask for more opportunities in the Simulation Center every semester. The community loves Kramer School of Nursing. Our partnerships allow students to have positions that are highly sought after before they graduate. We have applications open currently, and we offer start times for both spring and fall. Once you're accepted to Oklahoma City University, you are accepted to Kramer School of Nursing. There's not a separate application for Kramer School of Nursing. To learn more about how to apply, please visit the Kramer School of Nursing website.